Ever stared at your international transactions, wondering where all that extra money vanished to? You're not alone. Cross-border payments can often feel like navigating a maze of hidden charges. And that brings us to a crucial question for businesses and individuals dealing with global finance. Does Airwallex have bank fees? Before we dive into the specifics of Airwallex, let's paint a picture of the traditional banking landscape. For years, sending and receiving money internationally has been dominated by legacy banks. While they offer a sense of familiarity, their fee structures can be complex and, frankly, quite costly. You might encounter transfer fees, correspondent bank charges, receiving fees, and unfavorable exchange rates with hefty markups. These costs can significantly eat into your profits or the amount your recipient actually receives. It's like ordering a meal and then being surprised by a whole list of hidden service charges and taxes at the end. Frustrating, right? This is where platforms like Airwallex have emerged, promising a more streamlined and transparent approach to international money management. They often position themselves as alternatives to traditional banks, offering features like multi-currency accounts, local payment details in various countries, and potentially more competitive exchange rates. The core appeal lies in the promise of lower fees and greater efficiency. So, let's get back to our main question: does Airwallex levy bank fees? The answer, like most things in finance, isn't a simple yes or no. Airwallex generally aims to be more transparent and cost-effective than traditional banks, but it's crucial to understand their specific fee structure. Typically, Airwallex charges fees based on the type of transaction, the currencies involved, and the destination country. For instance, local transfers within the same currency might be free or have a very minimal charge. However, international transfers involving currency conversion will likely incur a fee. This fee usually consists of a small percentage of the transaction amount plus a fixed fee in some cases. One of the areas where Airwallex often shines is its foreign exchange rates. While they do apply a small margin, it's generally considered to be more competitive than the rates offered by many traditional banks. This can lead to significant savings, especially for businesses dealing with large volumes of international transactions. It's also important to consider other potential fees. While Airwallex often waives account opening and maintenance fees, there might be charges for certain actions, such as SWIFT transfers, which involve traditional banking networks, or for exceeding certain transaction limits on specific plans. The best way to get a clear understanding of Airwallex's fee structure is to visit their official website and carefully review their pricing page. They typically provide a detailed breakdown of fees associated with different services and currencies. Furthermore, your experience with Airwallex fees might also depend on the specific plan or account type you have. Businesses with higher transaction volumes might benefit from enterprise plans that offer more favorable fee structures. In conclusion, while Airwallex generally strives to offer lower and more transparent fees compared to traditional banks, it's essential to do your due diligence. Understand the specific fees associated with the types of transactions you'll be making, the currencies you'll be dealing with, and the terms of your Airwallex account. Don't just assume it's fee-free. Instead, empower yourself with the knowledge of their pricing to make informed decisions about your international money management. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.